Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to edit and customize menu in Wix Studio. So first thing that we should do here is to simply go to your website. So of course, you have to go to the Wix Studio website first. So you just have to tap out your web browser, Wix Studio, and then you'd be able to see that website. So you just have to click on it and then log into your account. Then when you go here to your sites, you'd be able to see here all of your sites that you have created using Wix or the Wix Studio. So of course, you have to create a template or a website using Wix Studio in order to edit this in this website, okay? So I am now on the website that I have created using the Wix Studio. So right here, we have the About, Resources, and the Policies menu section. So what you're going to do here now is to simply click on the plus icon at the left side and then go to the menu and search option. And then right here, we have the horizontal menus, the vertical menus, the anchor menus, hamburger menus, breadcrumbs. So for this video, I'll be using the vertical menus. So we have different templates right here that we can use. I'll be using this one. So you just have to drag it and then put it on that specific grid. Okay, so here I have the About section. So I'll be adding here all of the menus that I need. Okay, so what you're going to do here now is to simply click on the menu that you have added or the template, and then you'd be able to see this option, which is the Manage menu. So what you're going to do is to simply click on this option, and then at the top we have the menu option. So we just have to click on this one, and then we have to click on Manage Site Menus, and then we have to click on Add New Menu. Okay, so you just have to create a title. So for this one, I'll be going to name this one as footer dash about, and then you just have to click on the X icon. Okay, and then right here we have to click on add item. So we have main pages, linked, and submenu titles. For this one, I'll be using the main pages for this video. So right here, make sure to uncheck the home page. So since this is your home page, we don't want that in here. So what you're going to do is to simply select all the relevant main pages. So I'll be selecting career. We also have here our story or our history. So it will depends on your website. Okay, so maybe 3 will do for this one. Next is you just have to simply click on apply, and then you'd be able to see those main pages in the About section. Okay, so we have this one. So what we're going to do is to simply customize this template. So to do that, just simply click on this arrow at the top right of your screen. Then here we have the size. So we have the X, the Y, the width, and the height as well. So if you would like to customize this, you just have to type out here your number. Okay, and then for the relative behavior, I'm just going to select fixed. And then for the design, let's go with the regular. And then for the background, we can change the background color if you want to. Then of course the size, we can customize that one as well. And then when we go to the selected section, we have here the background color, and then the background size. We also have the submenu background, and then here for the docking, margins, and padding, we can also customize these settings. So maybe for the left side, I am going to change this to 0%. Okay, so that my template will move to the left. So I don't want to make any spacing on the left side. So right here for the border, so when you click on the border, we have here the opacity and color. Okay, so we can change the background of this one. Then when you go to the shadow section, we can also customize this as well. Okay, and then we also have the spacing. Okay, so right here, we can edit the text offset. Okay, so that our template will move to the very left of our box. Okay, and then when we scroll down, we have this settings. So since we already customized and then added the menu here on the About section, let's go to the resources. So we just have to do the same process. Okay, so you just have to click on the add element section, go to the menu and search, go to your menus, and then select horizontal menus or vertical menus. So you just have to drag that template and then put that on that specific box. So we just have to do the same. So I'm just going to click on this one and then click on manage menu. Right here, we just have to click on the menu option, And then let's add another site menus. Okay, so just have to click on add new menu, and then we are going to name this one as the footer resources. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on the X icon at the very top right of this page. Okay, so after that, let us now manage the menu again, and then here let us add the necessary or the relevant items. So let's go to the main pages. Then here, make sure to uncheck the home page because we don't want that here. So let's go with the relevant main pages. So for example, we have here the payment. We can also add here our sent, or it depends on your website. So I'll be adding 3 main pages for this section as well. So after that, you'll then just have to click on the apply button. Then as you can see, all of these main pages are added to the resources section. So for the last one is the policies. So we just have to do the same. So let me just rearrange this one as well. So if you would like to manually edit this again, so you just have to do the same. You just have to go to the right side of your screen and then customize this template. But you can also copy and then paint edit that you have done on the first one. Okay, so you just have to stuck it. But for this video, let's just focus on how to edit this one by one. Okay, so let me just rearrange this one over here. Then go to the offset side, or here in the docking, margins, and padding. So let's proceed with the last one, which is the policies. So maybe I don't want this template to be at the very edge of this page. Okay, so for the last one, you just have to do the same. You just have to go ahead and add elements, go to the menu and search, and then select your template. Okay, so when you paste it here, just have to simply click on it again and then click on manage menus. And then here you just have to click on the menu at the very top again. Okay, so you can also, if you would like to add items directly, then you can also do that over here. But I would like to add a name for this menu. So maybe this would be the policies, okay, or footer policies. So it will depends on you. You can add any name for this one as long as you can, you're comfortable with the name. And then of course, you just have to select the relevant main pages again. Okay, and then after that, you just have to simply click on apply. And then after that, before we end this video, let us preview this website. So when you click on preview, and then when someone visits your website and when they click on that specific main page, they'd be directed to another page. Okay, so for example over here, let's go with this page. So right here, as you can see, it's empty because this is just an example website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.